What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna be doing something different today. We're not gonna be doing a car video. We're gonna be doing a powder coating video. So if you don't know, I do powder coat for my business. We do powder coating, and we got other processes to how we make the cups, and we also do the motivational shirts also. So make sure y'all go. I'm gonna put the link down below. Make sure y'all go. If y'all wanna support, hit the link down below and go get you something off our website, or hit me up on my Instagram, or our business Instagram is RICHCREATIONSLLC, and my personal is just that kid with 2 D's and 2 underscores at the end. And let me know what you're trying to get. That's my car. If you don't know, let me see.
2016 Jeep.
Not the Jeep. Alright, so this is my car, Pontiac G8GT. Just got it wrapped in satin aluminum red. It's my dirty Dodge Durango, my work truck. But I'm gonna try to make a powder coated cup that's close to what my G8 is. So, and just to show y'all a little bit of the process and how we do it. This is one of the processes of how we get it made. So let's go ahead and start the video. Usually we do a 20-ounce cup because that's the most popular, but I'm doing a 30-ounce cup. I already got my oven on. It's already getting up to the temperature that it need to be on. So I'm gonna go ahead. First I'm gonna spray it black because I want the underneath to be black, and then I want the top coat is gonna be a crimson, satin crimson. So it's going something close to what my wrap is on my car. And then I'm gonna come back and spray it with like a glow in the dark clear coat. So first I'm gonna spray it with the black, with the gloss black. Then you're gonna see me putting it in the oven. It's gonna turn, let it cool down, come back, spray with the red, and we're gonna repeat the process. Alright, so the powder coating is just one way that we do our cups. I know somebody wanted me to make a video about it, so here we go. We have like 3 or 4 different ways that we achieve our the way we do our cups also. So powder coated. I done dropped this one a couple times, but oh yeah,
The sun.
All right, so this one says release the toxicity. Got green underneath with the gloss black. I dropped this one a couple of times though. This was like a test one. So then we have all right, so if you want something for the kids, we got this sippy cup. This one got my daughter name on it, Ella. So I don't know if y'all can see this.
Do a slow so I can see the glitter on it. Ooh, that's cool.
See in the sun, it got glitter in it. It got big glitter at the bottom.
Ooh.
So this one came. This is a different process. And then we also have flasks. This is a beach flask.
Beach theme.
Beach themed flask. And then this is our
Let me get the glitter.
Be Kind.
Let me get a zoom in. Stay still. You moving too fast. We can't even get the stuff. Move it a little slow so the glitter can sparkle out. Ooh, ooh, she did a good job.
So this is a Be Kind tumbler. This is a coffee mug. And then this is another flask with the fancy tops and stuff. So I can show y'all. So I can show y'all that the limits is kind of, there's no limit. So if you got something custom, make sure y'all come to us. All right, so you got the ideas, we got the creative hands. So DM us on Facebook or Instagram and let us bring your creative ideas to life. So we gonna go ahead and make the vinyl to put on it. So, and then we're gonna come back and repeat the same process. This is the same one, huh? All right, so I got the decal on it. I'm about to go ahead and spray the second color. All right, so we're gonna do one more coat. This is gonna be the like a clear coat, but it's I'm gonna show you at the end, because it's gonna be a clear coat, but it's gonna be a little different. That's gonna be the end to this cup. So I did something simple. I just put my YouTube account name on it, Mo Nation, and then I put a play button on the other side. But we could pretty much I could pretty much put anything on it, but I didn't want to go too complex with it. This is
Ooh, we're using big words.
this is just a sample.
We're using big words.
So we could go ahead and spray this one with the last coat, and we're gonna repeat the same process, put it in the oven. But this time I'm not going, this is a little different process with this type of powder coat that I'm spraying on it than the other two that I used. Everybody, so I'm finished with the cup. Here it is. So I did something simple, Mo Nation, play button, nothing, 32 ounce. So let me know what you think. Did I get it close to the car? So pretty close to the same color. So that'll be it for this video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you go follow me on my Instagram and my business Instagram. And if you want one of these cups, you got an idea, let me make your idea come true. And just hit me up and I'll get it done for you. So see you in the next video.